I do a lot of work with pallets and shipping crates and reclaimed wood, and I wanted to show you a couple of the techniques that I use to take apart old shipping crates. They're really hard to get because the nails have this twist to them, and that really locks those nails into the wood. So I'm going to show you a quick technique for how to get those nails out of this wood. So you can see right here we've got 2 nails sticking out here, and if I just yank on them, usually they're too tight to pull out, but if I hit them with the hammer a couple times, so I'm actually nailing them back in, now they come right back out. So just give it a tap or two to get it broke free, and then it comes out, and that breaks free those little twists in the nail, and they come free of the wood really easy when you do that.